County in northeastern Illinois until 6:30 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm producing a tornado was located over Burr Ridge, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Long Range, Justice, Hickory Hills, Countryside, and Hodgkins around 6:20 p.m. Summit, Bridgeview, and Lyons around 6:25 p.m. Oaklawn and Burbank around 6:30 p.m. This includes SeatGeek Stadium, including the following Interstate 55 between mile markers 277 and 284. Boom zones, tornado warning. 8. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA's